Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 5th EVS. Yes, students, in first session we already learned what's the meaning of matter and what's the meaning of particle. Yes, and also you learned the properties of matter. So what are those properties of matter? So here the matter has mass and also matter occupies a place. Yes, so these all you learned in a session first. So in this session we will learn what the states of matter. So here in the states of matter has identified in three forms. So matter has identified in three forms. Those are solid, liquid and gas. So how we can be identified in the three forms? So why we can be make like in separate in solids, liquids and gas? Yes, students, solids means here those particles are hard. Okay, so those we can call as that material is a hard material, that we can call as solids. So what we can call that? We can call as a solid. So example, I'll give you stick, okay, and duster, then chalk, so bench, wood. Yes, so many examples we will give for solids, because so we can identifying which are the hard materials are there, those we can be calling as solids. Yes, okay, so next one we can going to as a liquid. Yes, so which type of materials we can be called as liquids? So here's which gets the shape of the container. So which of the objects get a shape of the container, like water, milk, buttermilk? Yes, so coconut water, so as tender water we can call. These all we can be called as what? Liquids. Liquids does not having any shape. Those are having shape, which can be gets the shape of the container. Okay, this is we can call as liquids. Okay, so how those particles those are arranging in, after we will be studying that. Okay, so next one we are going to that a gas, so which cannot be held. We cannot be held that gas, because you know that is gas only we can feel, that we can't to see. Yes, so invisible, that is invisible, and also it can be spreads. Okay, and can be experienced. Experience means we can feel, like air we can't to see, no? Yes, we can feel. Is there air? Yes. So what are the example we can be given for a what? Gas. So air we can given, then also smoke, carbon dioxide. Yes, these all we can be given for what? Gas. Okay, yes, students, now in detail we will be study about what? Solids, liquids and also gas. Okay, so these solids particles are which particles? These solid particles are, so these are densely arranging. How these all are arranging? Like here, see, densely means these particles touch each other, so no spaces in between the each particle. Yes, so like these materials which having, those we can call as what? Solids. So solids are densely what? Arranging. So these are densely, the particles are densely arranging. So all these orderly arranging, those we can be called as solids. These particles are held together. So here see, are you observing any space in between these particles? No, it means these particles are held together, are close together. Those we can call as solids. Okay, so what are the example we can be given for the solids? Solids we can given for wood. Yes, then what we can given? Stone, duster, then what we can given? So many examples we will be given for what? solids. Okay, understood about solids? So these solid particles are densely arranging, are closely arranging, those we can call as solids. Example for solids: wood, stone, duster, chalk, bench, table, chair. Yes, that means these all are hard materials, those we can call as what? Solids. Okay, so next we are going to that is a second one, liquids. So in these liquid particles, are arranging in loosely. So how those all are arranging? So these all are arranging loosely, these particles loosely arranging. So this we can call as what? Liquids. Yes, are you holding the liquids? No, because this is in a liquid form. Why? Because it is in a liquid form? Because these particles are loosely, those are arranging. Those we can call as what? So those we can call as liquids. So compared to solids, these are, so in solids the particles are, how those are arranging? Here closely arranging, but in the liquids, in between the space we can be, see here, see it is visible, no spaces. So these spaces, it means the each particles are arranging it loosely. Those we can call as what? Liquids. So what are the examples we can be given for the liquids? So we can given for the liquids, water, examples. Yes, so next what we can given? Milk, then kerosene. Yes, these all are the example we can be given for what? Solids. Okay, sorry, liquids. So it means next we are going to as gas. Yes, so here we can observing. So here see, in the gas those are invisible particles. Yes, and also we can be experienced, but we can't to see. Then which cannot be held. So those particles we can call as gas. Okay, so here gas particles are rarely arranging. Rarely means here one is there, here one is there, here one, here one, here one. Like here see, compared to liquids, see the gas particles how those are arranging. Rarely. So in between too much of space is there. See gap in between of these particles, too much of space. Okay, so like which are the particles are arranging like this? It means, so these are arranging rarely. Those particles we can call as a gas. So what are the example for given a gas? Example for gas: air, smoke, so etc. So these all we can be given for what? Example for gas. Understood? So what's the meaning of, we can see the solid, liquid and gas we studied in detail. Okay, so they can given here in your textbook page number 139, they can given here the activity. So what they can given here activity, how we can be find out. So space is necessity, it means in between a space is there or not. Okay, see here, let us conduct an experiment to know that the particles are loosely distributed in liquids. So in liquid, how the particles are arranging. Okay, see they can given here one of the experiment, will see those. Okay, see, draw a diagram of this activity. Okay, so this is a glass of water. They can take a glass of water. So this glass of water is completely filled. So how it is? So completely glass of water is filled. So no space in between the waters. So it means level of water is completely filled in a glass. So here take a beaker, the completely filled what? The brim with water, drop 3 marbles into the 8 marbles, you know that is. So we can be dropping 3 marbles. These 3 marbles are here. Yes, these are marbles. We will be dropped marbles. Yes, into the water. Next, what happened? What happened? You will be guessing what happened, because here space is not there. If we can be a drop of marbles, what will happen? So that much of water is what? Come out. That much of water is come out. So that we can understanding. Yes, see here. So this in this experiment, so we completely filled a glass. We take a water glass. So in this water glass we dropped 3 marbles into a glass. So what happened? So the amount of what water is fell down. So how much of amount water is fell down? The capacity, the weight of marbles. The weight of marbles amount is so fell down. Why the water is fell down? Yes, are you guessing this? Why the water is, when we can be drop marbles into the glass, the amount of that much of amount of water is fell down. So why the water is fell down? You know that is because, see here, because the marbles have weight. So the marbles has a weight, so that amount of water is fell down. Understood? So we can identifying. So here no space in the glass. Because why? Because the glass is completely filled water. Yes, so no space into the water, so that amount of water is fell down. So here, so why we can, they can given here, drop 3 marbles into it. Now water spills out. Why? They can asking here. Think and write. Why the water is fell down? Because no space in the glass. Is there any space in the glass? No, completely filled that glass. So here we can understanding marbles needs a space in the glass, but here no space is there, so that much of amount of water is fell down. This is the first activity. And another one activity they can given here, that is take a glass of water. Yes, so we can take a glass of water. Here also what? Completely we will be fill up water. So means in between also no space in the glass. Okay, so this glass also completely filled water. So add some sugar. So add some sugar. So we will add some of sugar into sugar particles where into a water. So we will add some sugar particle into a water. What happens? What will happen here? So here the water is fell down or not? Yes, we can see here. So did you find any difference? It means we will add sugar powder equal weight of marbles. 3 marbles equal weight of sugar particles we will be add into the water. Okay, in this experiment. Okay. So did you find any difference in the water level? And observe and write here, they can be given here. Yes, so we can take completely filled water, add the weight of 3 marbles. So we add sugar, the weight of 3 marbles. What happens here? Are you observing this one? Yes, so here what happens means, so water does not spill out. Water does not spill out. Why? Why the water does not spill out? Here we will be dropped 3 marbles, but here the water is spilled out. But here also we will be dropped sugar. So but here not the water is spilled out. What is the reason here? Yes, we can observing because the sugar particles are what? Combines with water. Why means the sugar particles are combines with water. That's why the water does not spill out. Are you understanding? Here the sugar particles are combined with water. That's why the water does not spill out. Yes? Okay, this is the second activity. Okay, so since the sugar particles have combined with water particles, water does not spill out. Okay, this is the second one activity. Here see, shape and size of the solid in any place do not changes. Shape and size of the places in any place do not changes. Okay, so here we can observing another one. They can be given here activity. You will try in your home. Pour water into a beaker, a plate, a polythene bag, etc. Do you find any difference in its shapes? Yes. So in a water, okay, so take in a glass of water. So pour in polythene bag or any plate. So what you will be observing? So you can be find out. Okay. So liquid takes a shape of its container but does not change its size. Size does not changes in the what? Liquids, but shape is the container shape. So in which in which container we will be pour water, it takes of that shape. Okay, this is the what? Water. Okay, this is liquid. So gases. So means here also they can be given here one of the experiment or one of the activity to a gas. So take a two balloons. Okay, so in two balloons, one of the balloon you will blow. Okay, so or you will blow a one balloon. Yes, so here we'll take a two balloons. So thread we tied here. So here they can given here experiment. This is a blow balloon. So here another one balloon we will be tried here. Okay, so this is here. This is, it means here it's not a blow. Okay, so here let us conduct another activity. So know that air has weight or not. Okay, air has weight or not. So take a stick of 50 centimeter length. This is a 50 centimeter length. Tie an air filled balloon on its end. One air filled balloon, another one is empty balloon. So it does not means it in this balloon we can't fill it any air. Okay, tie the thread and tie into the what? Stick. So as shown in the picture, so what we can observing in this picture? So we can observing, so little bit it can be yes. So here we can observing that what we can observing means in the balloon, in this balloon we filled the air, in this balloon we can't fill the air. So what we can observing here? So here in which balloon we filled the air, that side the weight is like it can be slanting. Yes. So here see we can't fill the air, it will go up, it will come down. So why? Because it will be come down. So air filled balloon come down and air does not filled balloon it will went up because air has a what? Weight. So that's why this balloon is come down. So this activity will try in your home. So it means, so after will be tell, it means you will tell me, so what is the why the, because it means why the balloon is come down. Yes, because air has a weight. So that's why the air filled balloon is come down. Understood? So are you observing this one? And also we can be finding why the balloon is so slanting. Okay? Yes. So and another one activity they can be given here. So observe the picture and given below. Do this activity with the help of your teacher. Yes, will do that activity. Okay? What they can given here in this activity? See here. So this is a glass of water. Yes. So in this glass of water, so they can be filled this much of water. Okay. So place a glass beaker filled with water on plain surface. We will be kept in a plain surface. Okay. And another one we will be take a glass. So like it is little bit slanting. So the water is like it can be come on the position. So same means that much of amount of water only we will be filled. So this place of glass is filled with the water and in a slant position we will be kept. Okay. So the position is how it is in slanting position. So this glass is in a plain surface. What we can be observing here, the shape of the liquid change according to the space, in the what in the container. So it is if we can be inverse, we can be like it can be holding. So the shape of the container same, that much only it can be taken here. So the space available in the container. So that much of water only we will be filled in a both, but it can be take what the liquid can be take shape of the container. Understood? So like if you can be state, it can be keep in state like it comes water. So if you can be a little bit, you can be slanting. So it's the position is like it comes. So are you understood? So what we can be understanding here, the shape of the liquid change according to the space, yes, available in the container. And next they can be given here this activity. See here, smoke filled in a jar. Here, so in two jars they will be took here. In one jar they can be filled a jar air, or as smoke they can be filled in a jar. So it is in a placed upright position, straight position. Yes. So in this is also filled in a, this jar also filled in a smoke, but it is filled kept in a slant position. So it can be kept in a slant position. So here we can understanding the gas occupies the space of the container. It can be occupies overall space of the container. Understood? So this all we will be studied what? So we studied up to a liquid, gas and solid particles. Okay. So next one they can given here. See, filled in the blanks with the suitable words. What they can be given here in suitable words? Yes. So here there are states of matter. So which are states of matter? We already studied now. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. So solid, liquid and gas. Solids, liquid and gas. Okay, so in these they can given here. So the solids have, they can asking question, specific size is there in the solids? Yes. So the solids have specific size. Yes. Okay, so they can asking. Then so it's a specific shape is there in the solids. Even see size is there. Yes, we can see the chalk and duster sizes are there, and also shapes also having the what? Solids. Shape also having. Okay, size and shape also having the what? Solids. And in liquids, okay, in liquids specific Size is there? Yes, it's having specific size. But shape, no, it does not having any shape. Okay. Yes. And what are the example we given for the what? Solids. Will given for the example for solids, stone. Yes. And wood. Already you studied. Just explaining once. Okay. So what are the examples given for the what? Liquid. We can given for liquid, milk. Yes. Okay. And next one we are going as a gas. Specific size and shape it's having or not. So the gases does not having any size, no. Shape also no. Yes. Example what we can given for here? Smoke, air, yes, etc. So we can be given for the example for smoke, gas. Okay, understood this one? So these all we will be studying what? The states of matter. So in the next class we will be studying here effect of heat on matter. Okay, thank you for watching.